Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to try something different. I recently made a large order from the Craftsmen.store, so I thought it would be fun to do a haul video. So let's take a look. First of all, I got a lot of molds. So this one is a set of 4 coasters, and what's really nice about these coasters is that they have these dandelion etchings on it. Here you can see some very light etchings of dandelions right in the middle. And so I got 4 of these, and I think they will look really great, especially with some glitter in the background. These are wrapped in plastic so that they won't get dusty. So that's for that. Next I have one of these kind of jigsaw puzzle type coaster plates. I thought they were going to be coaster size, but it actually turned out to be much bigger. Okay, so you do have to match it up perfectly before you pour, otherwise their pattern will be slightly off. Okay, this is what it looks like once you put it together and before you pour. And these are actually really big. I thought these were going to be coaster size, but as it turned out, these are more like dessert plate size. So I can see where you can put little dessert pieces on here, and that would be really cute. The third mold I got is a set of bookmark molds. So as you can see here, these are very shiny. So 2 of these have etchings on them. One is kind of a leaf and one is some wildflowers, and the middle one is blank. And they're actually pretty deep, so that's good. And here is the last set of molds. So this one looks kind of like a honeycomb, but when you make it, it's going to be 4 separate pieces because they're not actually connected. And these are super cute. They have the little etchings of unicorns on it. So this one says one of a kind. This one says unicorn queen, born to be unicorn, and believe in magic. So this one is going to be a lot of fun. Each of these unicorns are a little bit different. And since they're hexagons, you can kind of stack them together like this once they're done. And the next item, this is actually the reason why I made the order in the first place. I ordered all the other stuff because shipping was expensive and I wanted to make it worthwhile paying the shipping price, so I ordered a whole bunch of other stuff. This is called Craft Heat Protect, and you can use this as a top coat. So this is actually a 2-part set, and it says here it is heat resistant up to 220 degrees Celsius. That is really awesome. I haven't tried it out yet, so I don't know if it works, how clear it is, but I'm really interested in testing it out. So the instructions here are, I think this is Russian, I can't really understand it, but this basically says 100A to 80B. So I think this is parts by volume, and you mix for 2 to 3 minutes, and you have 25 minutes to work. So this is something I would want to put on all my coasters just to protect it. Next, I got 2 mica pigments. This one is in Dusty Rose. I really like the Dusty Rose color, and this one is Shimmer Blue. This is kind of cute. It comes in little jars. Here I got some square glitter. This is a set in black and a set in platinum. And these jars are actually really big. Look at this. There's a lot in there. This will go a long way. A previous place that I got for around a similar price is so much smaller. Just look at that. You get so much here. Next, I got a set of flakes. So I got some black diamond. Oh, just look at this. It is so shimmery. Got pink quartz. Just want to touch it. And sapphire. Ooh, look at this. That was amazing. Diamond. This is very holographic. I don't know how to pronounce this. Aventurin? Ooh. Okay, So that's the flakes, and I got some glitter. So these are chunky glitters. I think these are chunky glitters that you can get almost anywhere. They're kind of hexagon in shape, but these are really pretty. And again, you do get a lot. So here is the blue, chunky navy blue. The previous one was chunky holographic light silver. Also have chunky iridescent white. Here is chunky midnight sparkle. Oh, this is so pretty. And we have chunky holographic blue geode. And also have another pigment here. This one is a color shift fantasy in blue purple. So this one you get much less. They don't come in these bigger jars. Instead, they're little bags. And the last item I got is some clear crushed glass. Just take a peek. So it's just clear crushed glass. Okay, so that is my order. I am super excited to try everything out, especially those molds and of course this Craft Heat Protect. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of this type of video. Do you like to see hauls like this, or do you prefer the regular tutorials? I actually won't be able to do this too often because I actually don't make big orders that often. So occasionally when I do make a big order, would you like to see it? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!